Hey, what's going on? I am V from V Love and Crystals. Guess what? We're diving into the Echoes of Nature Oracle deck created by the awesome TarotOracle here on YouTube. He does some awesome videos. I've been watching him for a while. So it's been like maybe a year now since I've been seeing his videos. I love his deck reviews. If you want this deck here, I will share where you can find this. It's going to be linked below. And yeah, let's dive into this. This actually was on Kickstarter, and now it's here in my hands. Thank you so much. We did an exchange. I sent him my deck, and now I have his oracle, and so I can't wait to see what you think of mine. But let's dive into yours. This is all about yours. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so nice tuck box, by the way. I love how it says right here, dedicated to my amazing YouTube subscribers and Patreon supporters. That's awesome. That is so cool. So on the box we have pictures of what's inside the card, well, a few of the paintings and what's inside the deck. Echoes of Nature. So I'll have the link to where you can find his YouTube channel. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is so cool. Wow, nice cardstock. All right, nice and smooth. Okay, so I'm going to compare it to a tarot deck that I have. So let's see. If you compare it to the tarot, you know, size reference. So it's a little bit longer and much wider. All right, just for those who care about that stuff. Wow, the cardstock is so cool and it's nice and smooth. Very, very cool. All right, so let's begin. So, oh, this is the ending of it. Let's start here. So this is the backing, right? Yeah. I like how it's reversible. Perfect. We have 72 cards. He hand painted all of these beautiful animals. So please do, if you're interested in his work, check him out. I have everything linked below, and check out his channel as well. Okay, oh my gosh, what a cute deck. What a cute dog. Oh, he is so sweet. Dreams. You are a fantastic painter, by the way. Wow, it looks like actual photos, you know, from afar. Nature in here. Unexpected friends. Oh, that's so cute. Playfulness. Oh, this is probably one of my favorites. I don't know. I just that face and the color, you know, all the vibrant, there's just bright colors in this one, and it really brings out his face. This is so cute. It actually looks like a photo. This is such a cool dog. I would name this dog, I don't know, Pikachu. Petey. No, flaunt it. Oh, go ahead, you little birdie. Oh, look at this one. Look at that pink nose. Wishful thinking. Beauty. Contemplation. That's a beautiful cat. Contemplation. Strength. Weathering the storm. Your personal power. Inspiration. Oh, look at that cute face. Innocence. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, you did such a good job capturing their feet, you know, everything about them. They're very lively. They look so like real. Personal space. Oh, that's so beautiful. painting. Looks so real, right? Being sly. Oh, sly fox. Trying to get the worm or trying to get the food. Weeds and flowers. Ooh, looking further out. Learning. Self-care. And final one, gathering inspiration. Oh my gosh, what a nice one to end with. I get a sense of like peace and cool air, like a cool breeze just by watching this one. This is so beautiful. What a great deck, I have to say. What a great concept. All right, let's shuffle. Yep, great shuffle. Love how they shuffle. Love, love, love it. All right. Beautiful. Great job. It's so smooth. Great job putting this together. Putting it on Kickstarter. All right, let's pull 3 cards for everybody watching. Thank you so much for being here. Please do check out the website to where you can find this. I think you'll like Richard's videos, and I think you'll like to see more about this deck if you check out his website and get more information on the actual cards. And yeah, all right, 3 cards for you. 3 cards for you. 1, taking a break. 2, changing directions. And the final, confusion. So I noticed a lot of dogs and cats in this one. And I love dogs, and I'm starting to love cats more. I don't know, something about them that I'm feeling drawn to these days. So really nice to see all sorts of animals, but mostly dogs and cats. Wild cats. I love lions. My husband's a lion, so this is awesome. Thank you so much. We have taken a break, changing directions, and confusion. All right, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And Richard, thank you so much for this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gift. You did a great job, and I'm sure this took you, maybe you have these, you were painting these for many, many years. I can tell a lot of love, a lot of effort, a lot of work, a lot of time went into these beautiful paintings. Oh, you have such a gift. Great, great job. And I hope you do more. I hope you create more oracles. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching, and let him know what you thought by visiting his channel today, okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.